basically here it is. The mic. And this cable right here. You can clearly see. USB cable, right? No, it's actually not a USB cable. But it's a connector. Right. I have no idea what's this or what is it for, but anyway, I'll figure it out. Right, so let's see this great mic. Alright, here it is. Take a look at it. Take a look at this beauty. Isn't it beautiful? It really is. Right. Well, let's see what's in the small box here. Alright. Try to handle this with as much care as possible. See if we can do it quickly as well. Right. Here it is. Tripod. The mini tripod actually. And yep. That was all. That was all, folks. Thank you very much for watching.